Hello, my dear children. Welcome to online 3rd standard computer science 13th class. Already finished the lesson 4 arrangement on and formatting of text in MS Word 2016. Now I am going to see the book exercise and question answers. Children, you should write neatly and correctly in your computer note. Use pencil only. Okay, ma? Yes. Okay. Now I am going to read the book exercise. So listen carefully. All of you take page number 41, ma. Book exercise. A multiple choice questions. First one, before you change the font of text, you need to option A, close the word software. Option B, maximize the word screen. Option C, highlight the text to be worked on. Answer is option C, highlight the text to be worked on. Next, Calibri and Cantara and Dahoma are examples of option A, font sizes. Option B, alignments of text. Option C, none of these. Answer is C, none of these. Option 3, question number 3, by clicking inside the font size box, you can option A, only decrease the font size. Option B, only increase the font size. Option C, set the font size to anything you want. Answer is set the font size to anything you want. Option C. Then fourth question, in justified text, the text is aligned to option A, center. Option B, left margin. Option C, both left and right margins. Answer is C, both left and right margins. Fifth question, which kind of list is more suited if you want to show names of finalists without showing final ranks? Option A, bulleted list. Option B, ordered list. Option C, none of these. Answer is A, bulleted list. Children, next take page number 42. Then B, filling the blanks. First one, font color, font size and font style are commands part of dash group of Home tab. Answer, font, F-O-N-T, font group. Then second one, alignment buttons in Word are part of Home tab and dash group, paragraph group, P-A-R-A-G-R-A-P-H, paragraph. Then third one, the given list can be considered to be a or an dash list, bulleted list, B-U-L-L-E-T-E-D, bulleted list. Then fourth one, ordered list in Word can be in dash order also, alphabetical order, A-L-P-H-A-P-E-T-I-C-A-L, alphabetical order. Then Calibri, Cantara and Algerian are three examples of font dash types, T-Y-P-E-S types. C, state whether true or false. Format pointer is useful in copying formatting of one text to another. Answer, true. There is no way to give alphabetical order to list. Answer, false. Third one, if font color is changed before typing in text, all text afterward will be in the color. True. Answer, true. Center alignment allows alignment to both left and right margins. Answer, false. Justify alignment is the type that is aligned along the central vertical line in Word. False. Answer, false. Then D, match the following columns. First one, you can increase or decrease font by using command buttons in font group. Bold, italic and underline are effects on text and can be combined. Control plus A is a keyboard shortcut for center alignment. Format Painter is part of Home tab but not font group. First step in putting color on text is fifth one, to highlight text. Answer, to highlight text. Then answer the following questions. First question, write down the steps for inserting a bulleted list in a Word document. Answer, take page number 39 ma. Answer, first step, click on the Home tab, then paragraph group that you want on text. Then second step, start typing text without pressing enter unless the item is finished. Then third step, press enter key, start typing the next item. Fourth step, continue this process till the list is finished. Then second question, what is the main use for the format pointer tool? Take page number 39 ma. Answer, the format pointer is used to copy the formatting of another text. Then third question, name the types of list in Word. Take page number 38. There are three kinds of list available in the Word. These are bulleted, ordered and multi-level list. These are first one bulleted, second one ordered, third one multi-level list. There are three kinds of list in Word. Next question. Then fourth question, what are the keyboard shortcuts that will do what format pointer tool does? Take page number 5. Answer, to copy the formatting from text, Control plus Shift plus C. To paste the formatting, Control plus Shift plus V. Then question number 5, how do you change the font style of text? How do you change the font style of text? Take page number 36. First step, highlight the text. Fifth question answer, highlight the text. Then choose any one font from font drop down menu. Above steps will apply the font on the highlighted text. Take page number 36. First step, highlight the text. Fifth question answer, highlight the text. Then choose any one font from font drop down menu. Above steps will apply the font on the highlighted text. Answer, click on the kind of list from Home tab. Then paragraph group that we want on text. Start typing text without pressing enter unless item is finished. Press enter key, start typing the next item. Continue this process till the list is finished. Next, second question, Gautam wants to copy formatting of a text that looks good to him. What is a quick way to copy this formatting onto some other text? Answer, Format Painter. Answer, Format Pointer. Format Pointer. FORMAT Format Pointer. Then take page number 43. Activity zone, jumbled words. First one, justify, JUSTIFY, justify. Second one, CENTER, center. Third one, ALIGN, align. Fourth one, LIST, list. Have you understood, children? Yes. So today homework, study and write book exercise and question answers in lesson 4. Remain, we will see the next class. Thank you, children.